Hi, I'm Curtis Wondra. I'm the National Sales Director for Lync, which is a Watts brand. We're here at the Watts booth at ASPE 2024, highlighting our CO2 heat pump. Lots of domestic hot water heat pumps on the floor here. We do it a little bit differently. We are water people. Watts has been in the water business for 150 years now. And when you buy a heat pump system from us, this is a CO2 refrigerant, where we use CO2 refrigerant to make domestic hot water. But we don't just sell you the box. We definitely will sell you the box, but we also do heat exchanger skids. We have the capability then to build all those tanks and mixing valves all from Watts. So it's a complete system, completely designed. This guy will make 170-degree water down to -4. And so we can use a lot of different opportunities to do hybrid systems with solar, with natural gas fired, with electric resistance. This particular one is our water-to-water unit. We also make an air-to-water unit. Both of those particular lines are sized at 250, 350, and 500 MVH. And we will design all the system for you, and then it would be purchased by you guys straight from Watts, the whole thing, all designed for your needs. Kind of just need a gallon per day, and we need the capability to either vent these if we're going air to water or a water source, and that's about it.